College, part 3 of the mock assessment for jointed frame. I'm going to show you how to set up your mortise gauge to your chisel and then set it up to your job. In the past you've been told that you set your mortise gauge up to the middle of your timber. This is where it slightly changes in the fact that any mortise hole you put into a job that has a rebate, the mortise hole always goes at the side of the rebate. Okay, so I've got my chisel. It's roughly 1/3 of the width of the material. So if the material's 22, 3/7 to 21, we're looking at 7mm chisel. If you haven't got a 7mm chisel, use an 8mm chisel. It really doesn't matter. Okay, but what I am doing is setting the 2 points on my mortise gauge to the size of my chisel. So that's now set up. Again, put that in the well, that way it doesn't roll all over the place. What I'm going to do now is from the face side, I'm measuring 7mm at one end. And then with the stock loosened, I'm setting up one of the points to the side of the rebate, and the stock slides up so that it's on the face side of your material. So you can see there, face side, there's the stock, we've set it up that way round. All we need to do now is remember that the stock stays on the face side at all times. All we need to do is gauge around our material. Just keep checking until you get experienced and confident. Just keep checking that you are putting the stock against your face side. So that's the 2 short ones, that's your 2 tenons done. Now looking at the mortise holes. That's that one done, and again stock against the face side. Mortise hole haunch gauged, mortise hole haunch gauged, mortise hole, mortise hole. So now what we've done is we've gauged all our material. The next step is to start chopping out and cutting. I'm not intending to carry on to part 4 with that because you've already chopped mortise holes, you've already cut tenons. Now when you make that job and you lay it on your setting out rod finished, it should be spot on.